Welcome to Animal a Day. 10 Bird of Paradise Facts. The Phoenix from Heaven. 1. Birds of paradise are a family of about 42 species in the passerine order. 2. Australia, Papua New Guinea, and Indonesia are where most of these species are native. 3. Birds of paradise are similar to peacocks in that they show a form of sexual dimorphism in which the males have bigger and much more colorful feathers than females. 4. The males of the various species have a rainbow of different colors and patterns. Females tend to have duller or more brown feathers, although there are some exceptions to this. 5. Females like to pick partners with a very large, vivid display of feathers during mating season. This somehow equates to having stronger offspring. 6. Males don't just let the feathers do all the talking. They also perform intricate mating dances to further impress potential mates. 7. The beauty of their feathers have caused them to be a target for humans. Their feathers were used as money or adornments for clothes by certain people and tribes. Some of the species are now threatened. 8. Birds of paradise eat a lot of fruit and berries and are important seed dispersers. The seeds aren't digested and are deposited on the ground with some fertilizer. 9. The birds share their name with a genus of South African flowers. The flowers were named after the birds for their apparent resemblance, and they are a popular houseplant. And 10. Their name started as a translation that basically meant birds of God. Then in the 1500s, some thought it was the legendary phoenix or that they came from a kind of paradise somewhere, so the name Bird of Paradise stuck. Thanks for watching. Remember to like, comment, and subscribe for more daily animal videos.